Hey everybody, this is Matt from Sheet Gurus. I want to show you how easy it is to send a text from Google Sheets utilizing the Sheet Gurus extension. So let's assume you've got your data already loaded in Google Sheets with a column labeled phone without any parens or dashes. So click the extension, find Google Sheets SMS, open it up. This assumes you already have it downloaded and installed. We'll link to that in the video description, of course. Let's type out our message. Hi. You can select a variable here. So if we select first name, that'll pull in everything in the first name column, at least for the first text. Last name. Have you finished Hamlet yet? Question mark. Got to keep tabs on writers. And let's send this text. Text is sent. You'll see a log in the Guru's SMS log of every message that you sent. And that's it. If you're interested in learning more about Sheet Gurus, obviously check out www.sheetgurus.com. We'll link to that in the comments, in the description, I guess. And yeah, hopefully this can help you send out text messages that would otherwise be very difficult to type. We can send up to 6,000 messages a day and are available for all of your bulk texting needs. Thanks.